We are more Skids.
Nah, dude. Let's do I'm Quentin, I'm DJ. And we are more Skids.
I'm Quentin.
And I'm DJ.
And we are more Skids.
Let's do that again, actually.
I'm Quentin.
And I'm DJ.
And we are more Skids.
Sick. We make car videos about working on cars, hanging out with cars, looking at cars, touching and feeling cars, driving in cars.
Yeah. I've got a 240SX, an AE86, 97 F350. Is that all the cars I have?
I've got a 1988 Honda Civic. And a 1991 240SX. That's about to be my sick drift car. We started making these videos like 4 years ago? Is it like, we don't really know.
Probably about 4 years ago, and we did not know shit.
Our second video was the first time we ever worked on a car.
Yeah.
Everything we ever learned about cars is documented on our YouTube channel. It's
much.
pretty crazy. We had a lot of good times along the way.
There's my Doge.
Yeah! Dude, you almost just killed everybody. So we found this long ass pipe and we're using it to take the tension rod out.
Fuck, this is terrifying. I don't want to be here anymore. 1985 Toyota Corolla AE86.
I feel like I'm gonna get electrocuted soon.
It's hailing.
We got this, guys.
What the fuck?
There's a lot of rain on that one.
Dude, how's that feel?
Awesome. Dude, I got it running last night. I was like, holy fuck. At the rod knock. Yeah. A 1JZ is in my future.
Oh my god! No, stop, dude! Holy shit! Oh my god! What the fuck? Slow down, my dude!
I'm never gonna slow down.
It's a little bit wet out here.
You guys ready to do this shit?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Let's get it. Wait. Let's take off.
Yo, Quentin, come stand where I am on the passenger. We have a special guest here today. We got Quentin.
What up?
From More Skids. Let's get a little chant here going. Every time I say more, you guys yell Skids. Ready for this, guys? Shit.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. More Skids! Yeah!
Okay.
I crashed.
Nice.
They actually tried really hard. Yeah.
Waterfall over there is extraordinary. 2 minutes away from our Airbnb. We made it.
You guys made it. You're here.
We're at the Airbnb that's 3,000 miles away from our house.
That's true. And we drove here.
Fucking Corolla made it here. Okay, so we're starting this Patreon.
Okay guys, we're taking a look at the Patreon incentive reward tiers. Basically, if you're one of the homeboys and girls, you're donating around $1 a month. We want you to know that you rock and you also roll and you also get a link to our Discord. Come hang out, talk to us. This picture right here represents roughly how happy you make me. However, if you donate $5 or more per month, you make me this happy and you become our actual cousins. The Patreon exclusive sticker and a link to our Discord is what you get. We also love you like family. But if you decide to donate $10 or more per month, you're one of our moms and dads. 10% off all merch, Patreon exclusive sticker, and a link to our Discord exclusive t-shirt as well, and a mention in every video. That's right, that's like a pretty big jump. Before you were getting a sticker. Now you're getting all this, so that's pretty sick. In fact, it's so sick, I'm showing teeth over here. Look how happy I am. But if you donate $15 or more, I'm gonna start wondering. I'm gonna have this question in my mind: when are we getting married? Because for real, that's insane. Look how insane it is. You can tell by my face. And in return, we'll be giving you 10% off all of the merch runs we do in our future. Patreon exclusive sticker, a link to our Discord, exclusive t-shirt, and a mention in every video. Yeah, you've seen all that before, but guess what? I will also write a song about you. It'll be short and it'll be stupid, but it'll be a song about you. Moving on, you decide maybe you got $20 a month you can spare. Okay, wow, you are my actual dad at that point. That's how ecstatic I will be if you donate $20 or more a month, but look what you get in return. 20% off all merch. That's right, nobody else gets that. Everybody else gets 10. Patreon exclusive sticker, link to our Discord, exclusive tee, a mention in every video, and we'll write a song about you. And you get a signed print of our cars. We'll take a sick ass picture and we'll print it and we'll sign it and we will send that shit to you. It'll be dope. You can frame that, you can hang it on your wall, you can tell your friends how cool you are. And that's pretty much it. Unless you are a god among men and women. If you're donating $100 or more, this is our final Patreon tier. And really we just put it up there to see if anybody would do it. But if anybody does, they get 50% off all merch, Patreon exclusive sticker, link to our Discord, exclusive tee, and we'll write a song about you personally. We mention you in every video and apply a sponsored decal of your name on our cars. But that's not it. Quentin will genuinely, truly, actually get your name tattooed on his body. Like for real. Like he's gonna do that. And that's just a quick little overview of what we'll be offering you for your donations.
And we're doing that because we want to make sicker videos, go to sicker places, do sicker things to our cars.
More drift events.
A lot more drift events, yeah.
We want to travel the country. We want to travel other people's country.
Yeah, we don't want to just travel this country.
Yeah, we already did that shit.
We have been doing merch runs, which they really help a lot. Like people support the shit out of our merch runs, and it's dope. But doing merch takes up a lot of time.
Logistically, it's a nightmare.
Yeah, we already don't have a lot of time. Also, another reason we're starting the Patreon is because we want more time. Yeah, a lot of people have shown interest in us starting a Patreon. I haven't seen much negativity about it, so we're giving you guys the option. If you want, then you can support us monthly, and it will go a long ways into lengthening the channel, just allowing us to do so much more stuff.
Yeah, I mean, the reason we can't afford to do all this cool stuff that we want to do is because we don't upload often enough. The reason we don't upload often enough is because we don't have time with our jobs and stuff to film often enough. And so YouTube doesn't pick you up and promote you and pay you a bunch of money unless you can upload really frequently. So we're kind of at that jumping off point where in order to become successful on YouTube, we kind of have to quit our jobs. We can't really quit our jobs without being successful on YouTube.
Catch-22.
It's a catch-22.
But the solution is starting this Patreon. We have some really cool incentives.
We really do.
To make it not super boring for you guys, because obviously, like, if we're not going to offer you anything other than us continuing to be able to do this, then it's not like super enticing for you guys. And we wanted to make sure that it was super enticing for you guys. So we did some really cool things that we think you guys are going to like.
We're super thankful for like even our subs that watch like one video and then never watch again. Like every view, every like, every comment helps massively, and we're not idiots. We know that we are like on YouTube, we are nothing without the people who watch. So we never want to, you know, just take from people who make us who we are on YouTube.
Right.
So our Patreon's very centered on giving back and like making you a part of what we do and making sure you have something to show for the contribution that you've made to us. So just to show that we're so thankful. And with that money that you might happen to give to us every month,
hopefully we'll be able to move out and get a shop, which is something something that we've been really wanting to do for a while.
Or even just rent a house that has a garage.
Yeah,
Like, that would
somewhere
be
we
nice.
can work on our cars.
We'll finally be able to bring you like videos and ideas and content that we've wanted to do for a long time, but never had like the time or the resource or the focus to be able to do.
The goal is to make this our job, so we want to focus all of our energy and like we want to wake up and be like, what are we gonna do for YouTube today?
Yeah, exactly.
And what are we gonna do to try to entertain you guys? And like that's something me and DJ have always been passionate about. I
Yeah,
feel
we
like
used to make like short films and like bullshit, like funny little videos back in the day. Me
Yeah.
and Jeff, like even before like we met,
Yeah.
Jeff and I used to do that shit back in the day.
and I've always been like trying to grind on YouTube. Like I've had like 6 YouTube channels that never took off.
I remember learning as a kid that you could make money on YouTube. I was like, "Bleh," like this is
Yeah.
I'm doing this. So basically, yeah, we want to be able to make our cars as sick as you guys want to see our cars. And of course, they're our cars, so we want to see them that sick too.
Yeah.
But financially, like we can't really afford to do anything to our cars right now, which means we can't afford to make content.
We're in a dead spot basically.
And with this money and time and total change in lifestyle, we'll be able to give back to the subs like so much. You know, there will be live streams, there will be like other
Yeah, if we
things.
don't have to worry about doing anything else and we can just focus all of our time on doing this to make money, then we're going to be able to do a lot of like really cool stuff that we've always wanted to do.
It's like very simply, we just don't have the time to like engage with our audience on the level that we want to, and this will make us able to. Like,
Yeah.
I would love to just every night or like, you know, maybe twice a week or something like that, just sit down and like play Assetto Corsa and bullshit with the audience on a live stream or
Yeah,
something.
that'd be fucking
just hang
sick.
out. Yeah, just like, you know, chill in the Discord and bullshit and like just run a live stream for 2 or 3 hours. Like that'd be so sick.
And do meets more often.
Oh my
and
God,
like
meets.
physically engage with
Yes.
people. Okay, so yeah, we're starting a Patreon.
That's basically it.
That's our announcement.
our-
Yeah. Basically, you guys could really, really help us out. And the fact that we have 130 something thousand subscribers can go a really long way with making this work. You watching at home is one person, but there's like thousands of other people watching the same video as you.
Yeah.
And if our whole community bands together, then
Yeah,
it'll
it's-
go a really, really long way.
If every single one of them donated $1 a month, we'd be literally rich. Like we'd be on some Logan Paul shit, like throwing Lamborghinis off
Yeah.
of cliffs or whatever.
Like imagine if that actually happened. Like if everyone donated $1.
And that
Like imagine the shit me and DJ would get into.
I'd build a new race car every month.
Yeah, we
Same.
could do some of the craziest shit ever. It's weird like asking you guys to do this because obviously we're not like a real part of your life, really.
Yeah.
Like we're just some fuckers on YouTube trying to do some cool shit.
You know, don't also look at it like this is going to be our only source of income. We're still doing merch, and the whole point of this is so that we can have more time to make more videos, and all of those videos become ad revenue. So
Right.
really, this is giving us the free time to make money in other ways.
Yeah.
Patreon is the kind of like crutch.
We're not like down on our knees asking for you to give us money.
But I'll do that if you want me to.
We've got some pretty cool incentives. See what you think.
That's basically all that we ask is check out what we're giving back to you and just think about the change that you could incite in our lives and what that means in terms of getting content out of it. Like,
Yeah, like what? Not only are you going to be able to get like a t-shirt or whatever, but we're going to be able to do shit all the time
Yeah.
and make videos all the time.
every chunk of cool shit that you see on our YouTube channel is like your fault. Like you fucking did that, you bastard. You made jokes and cool skids and shit happen.
Yeah.
So if you decide to donate to our Patreon, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Like, that literally is life changing for us. And if you don't subscribe,
Honestly, life-changing. Isn't that
literally
crazy?
life changing. Yeah.
Like we could go into this just two dumb kids who didn't know anything about cars and stuff, and then 4 years later we're here
Making our living,
about to
not knowing shit.
trying to make a living just making videos on YouTube.
Yeah. Basically, if you do donate to our Patreon, thank you so much. Like, we owe so much to you. And even if you don't, like, still thank you anyway for even, like, clicking on this link to see this video. You know,
Yeah.
like, that helps us so much. It really does. And we just want to give back to everybody. Logistically, we can only really give back to so many. So become one of those people.
But we are going to be giving back to everyone because
Oh, that's true. We'll be making more content.
we'll be making more content.
Okay, we can't give stickers to everybody. You know what I mean.
Thank you guys so much. Thanks for clicking on this video and watching and seeing what we have to say.
And we hope you enjoy our Patreon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably good.